Algorand value equivalent to $0.0961 a coin. The present reach, $0.0958. $0.0990. The earlier day close, $0.0987. The change was 0.00262.63%. Opposite rate, United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost forecast for August 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.110. Greatest cost $0.119. Least cost $0.087. The normal for the month $0.105. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.102. Change for August 7.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. At the outset cost at $0.102. Most extreme cost $0.112. Least cost $0.077. The normal for the month $0.099. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.105. Change for September 2.9%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at $0.105. Most extreme cost $0.105. Least cost $0.088. The normal for the month $0.098. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.095. Change for October 9.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. To start with cost at $0.095. Greatest cost $0.095. Least cost $0.074. The normal for the month $0.086. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.080. Change for November 15.8%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.080. Greatest cost $0.080. Least cost $0.062. The normal for the month $0.072. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.067. Change for December 16.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else cost at $0.067. Most extreme cost $0.067. Least cost $0.052. The normal for the month $0.061. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.056. Change for January 16.4%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at $0.056. Greatest cost $0.056. Least cost $0.048. The normal for the month $0.053. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.052. Change for February 7.1%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.052. Greatest cost $0.057. Least cost $0.049. The normal for the month $0.053. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.053. Change for spring 1.9%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at $0.053. Greatest cost $0.065. Least cost $0.053. The normal for the month $0.058. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.061. Change for April 15.1%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.061. Most extreme cost $0.061. Least cost $0.047. The normal for the month $0.055. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.051. Change for May 16.4%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $0.051. Greatest cost $0.051. least cost $0.040. The normal for the month $0.046. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.043. Change for June 15.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.043. Greatest cost $0.047. Least cost $0.041. The normal for the month $0.044. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.044. Change for July 2.3%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $0.044. Most extreme cost $0.055. Least cost $0.044. The normal for the month $0.049. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.051. Change for August 15.9%. United States dollars to algo swapping scale equivalent to 10.4037 algorands per $1. The present reach 10.1041, 10.4341. The earlier days nearby 10.1327. Change for now plus 0.2710. Plus 2.67%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.034. Greatest cost $0.034. Least cost $0.030. The normal for the month $0.033. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.032. Change for October 5.9%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2025. To start with cost at $0.032. Greatest cost $0.032. Least cost $0.028. The normal for the month $0.031. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.030. Change for November 6.3%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $0.030. Most extreme cost $0.030. Least cost $0.023. The normal for the month $0.027. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.025. Change for December 16.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Before all else cost at $0.025. Most extreme cost $0.028. Least cost $0.024. The normal for the month $0.026. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.026. Change for January 4.0%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $0.026. Most extreme cost $0.032. Least cost $0.026. The normal for the month $0.029. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.030. Change for February 15.4%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. To start with cost at $0.030. Greatest cost $0.037. Least cost